Finally, we have come to this Excel sheet. But before even coming to this Excel sheet, we have done a lot of hard work. What we have done, we have derived total three formulas. The first, the vehicle speed as a function of time t. The second, we derived the vehicle distance covered as a function of time t. And the third, we have derived the energy consumption per kilometer, or in other words, watt hour per kilometer. And we are going to put all this formula in this Excel sheet, and we are going to see the interesting output. But before we proceed, you might be asking from where I will get this Excel sheet. And it's very easy. You have to click on the downloadable link which is given in the description box, or by any chance if you're not able to get it, then you need to write an email to email ID which is right there in the screen, kumaradi.2012@gmail.com, with subject line electric motor underscore excel underscore sheet, and then you will be able to get this Excel sheet in your mailbox. Now let's say you got this Excel sheet. So at any point of time, let's say you want to access the tutorial, you have to do just simple thing, which is you have to click here, and then you will be redirected to the tutorial on YouTube's. That is the first thing. And second thing, if you want to contact me for any reason, for any doubts, then you can just write an email ID which is here, right? You can find it. So let's proceed further.